G'day everyone, it's Chriso. What I'm doing at the moment is using floor leveler for the outside of this bathroom. I've given all that shower base a nice fall. I'm coming up to the top of that water stop with my tile and where I miss a little bit I'll try and get my leveler over there, but where I've missed a little bit you just trowel in a bit of glue when you're tiling. I've made it fairly stiff, my floor leveler, because I want to walk on it fairly soon. I'll tile in here the walls. I'm going up 1200. It won't take me long. By then hopefully that floor leveler is dry, because it doesn't take long. Those there are my height pads, so see them there and there. It's all come out absolutely fantastic. That mud won't take long to dry, so I can lay my shower base as well. So I'll lay all this floor today and these walls with a bit of luck. As soon as this is dry, I want to get onto it, get my floor down so it's set for tomorrow so I can carry on with walls. So all hunky-dory. See how that's sort of feathering out to nothing? There, that's good. I'll just fill that in with a bit of glue when I'm doing my tile. Cool. There where my waste is, I've got a sponge there. What I could have done is I actually had a bit of leftover mud from the shower. What I should have done is built a bit of a moat around that tile to stop the floor leveler running underneath. I should have put a bit of mud around, made a bit of a moat, but then when I can walk on this, that'll be soft enough just to get out. It's all blocked off with a sponge, so I'll pull that out as soon as I can walk on this, which I reckon probably about 2 hours, I'd say. In between 1 and 2 hours this will be dry and we'll come back to it. Right, I'm going to wash up my tools and get going on this wall. I'm going 1200, so I'll pull the skirt off. I'll draw a line a little bit less than 1200, say 1180. I'll level a line around, then I can roll my I can then roll my primer over my wall, and then I'm not sticking to paint, I'm sticking to primer. Okay, we'll see you soon. Hooroo!